This video describes the antimicrobial resistance surveillance application in brief. The application is currently built for the human domain. However, the application design allows the configuration of other AMR domains without development requirements. Application has 4 components currently. AMR surveillance application for data entry. Dashboards, which has a collection of reports in the form of charts, tables, and maps, etc. for data analysis. WHONET and LIS interoperability. Isolate transfer application to assess the quality of samples. AMR surveillance application for data entry is developed in the form of an external application in HISP. This application allows the reporting of patient-based antibiotic susceptibility test data. The application is currently designed to report data for around 105 organisms and 100 antibiotics. However, this list is expandable. Patient registration ID and lab ID are hashed to ensure data security. The results of the susceptibility tests are displayed in red, yellow and green respectively for resistant, intermediate and susceptible on the user interface. The application has the feature to enter the results for molecular tests as well. An external application has been developed for interoperability with WHONET and LIS. A one-time coding of the data elements and attributes has been done. Reference for codes has been taken from WHONET library. Users can take a data export from WHONET and this application to import their data. New registration IDs are added as new cases, while for the duplicate IDs a new stage is created to track the resistance pattern longitudinally. With every hospital using the different laboratory information systems, a facility-specific functionality to add data elements, attributes and option set codes has been developed. A one-time exercise to add the codes can be done and the facility can use the application to import the data as explained earlier. The dashboards are a one-stop shop where all the analysis done by the application is displayed. The data in the application is analyzed daily into isolation rates and resistance patterns. An aggregated organism group-specific analysis, as well as organism-specific analysis, is displayed on the dashboards. Analyzed data is displayed as organism-specific isolation rates, sample-wise isolation rates, organism and sample-specific resistance pattern, antibiotic-specific isolation rates and resistance patterns on the map. Isolate transfer app is developed to track the samples between labs. These samples are sent from one lab to another reference lab for quality tests. A batch of multiple samples is created and sent from a lab. The user at another lab acknowledges the samples received, tests the sample and puts the findings for respective samples. The application is currently being tested at a few private and government facilities in India. The application is designed with the ability to be configured for other AMR domains to enable inter-domain analysis. A facility can choose to use the application to report data in HISP AMR surveillance application or use the WHONET and LIS data import application. The process to configure the application for the veterinary domain is ongoing.